Although he's a little boy, what he's doing in Vrindavan, he's playing with his friends, tending the cows, and they have so many different games that they play. Then they have picnic, like whatever everyone brought from home, they just open their packets and they share it with each other. And Krishna is very generous. He gives all the good food to his friends, and his friends are also very generous. They offer whatever they consider to be good to Krishna. Even though they themselves have eaten it, although they themselves have half eaten it, although it is considered to be otherwise contaminated. But the friends of Krishna do not hesitate to offer it to them, offer it to Krishna, and Krishna also accepts it. Why Krishna accepts it? Because of love.